everybody, this is Pat. We're out on the job site today at Gorilla Glue doing a helicopter lift. We're going to be removing 4 rooftop units, 2 50-ton and 2 35, and then setting 4 makeup air units. It's going to be a long day, so let's get started.
This $167,000 project involved replacing 4 rooftop units with the new Cambridge RTUs. Our team managed engineering, permitting, demolition, structural updates, gas and electric work, and completed startup and full testing and balancing. The biggest challenge was the weather. 2 heavy snow days and extreme cold temperatures created delays and tough working conditions. Through strong communication and coordination across all teams, we kept the project moving forward and delivered successfully.